yo soy Mari.
Y yo soy Luce.
Y esto es Emily. Oh my god, we were not expecting them to drop this. No. But today we are checking out ZEROBASEONE's Pata CP1 remake. This is the special summer video 2. The special summer video. Which was the first special summer video? Was it Sweat?
Sweat.
Yeah. Sipping lemonade. Yes, sir. Let me check because I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Put on the music. Go get one there. I'm sure it's Sweat. Yeah, special summer video 1. So this is a pre-release for Good So Bad that is coming out next week. I don't know when I'm gonna be posting this video though, because there's been a lot of things happening here. So we've been a little bit here and there, but just be sure we're gonna be posting it, and whenever Good So Bad comes out, we're gonna be posting that as well. This is a remake, so Pata is a song.
It's like a short song.
It's like a very old song. I'm not sure if we have ever heard it before.
Okay.
But it's kind of like Candy.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. I'm excited. It's a very, very short song.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna be the length on the actual album, but I'm ready.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh.
Of course.
My god, I forgot about this.
Oh my god.
Anyways, yeah. We're excited. We're just ready to dive into it. If you guys want to check our reaction to the album when it comes out, and I'm not sure if the showcase we're gonna be able to react to it on the day because Luz has an exam that day, but we're gonna be making sure to record all of that whenever we have time. But if you guys want to check it out, please make sure to go over on our Patreon. And are you ready?
Okay.
So this is Pata ZEROBASEONE remake special summer video 2, and this is ZEROBASEONE. Gacha. Pata
Maybe.
I have no idea. All right. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, I'm excited. Whenever ZEROBASEONE does like a cover or something like that, like this is a remake, they just do so good. Like they're kings. Girl, you can check yourself out. Yeah. All right. Are you ready?
Okay.
Hana,
Dude.
set.
Oh.
The genie looks fantastic. Oh my god! I love that! Their voices. Oh yeah, love that. Oh yeah, I've heard this before. I love that. Oh my god, no, that was so short. Oh yeah, I've heard that. That was,
I love it.
that was great, girl. That was so good. Wow. I'm wondering if the song when it comes out on the album, if it's gonna be as short as this. I hope it's. I have no idea
Like longer.
how long it is, the original one though. Do you want to check it one more time?
Okay.
All right, we're just gonna go.
One eternity later.
All right, let's check it one more time. I have to say, I love the font for this song because it's Hangul, but it looks like a B and a D. You know, like a from You know, it's really good.
Well, with lyrics or no?
Oh yeah. All right. Only in Korean. Oh, are you serious?
Okay.
All right. Ready? Let's check it one more time. 하나,
Dude.
셋. Eugenie looks so cute with that hair color. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I love that. Wow. Jung's voice, so pretty. Oh. Oh, say it, girl. Oh, and humbling, girl. I'm wondering where this was filmed. Oh, I love that. No, I was thinking Jeju, but maybe LA because they went to the KCON. I was thinking, but I don't quite remember if they were already in those hair styles when KCON happened. We still haven't checked KCON stages, so
no.
But that was so good.
I love it.
That was great. I'll probably be posting this the day of the comeback so that you guys have like a sneak peek. But just be sure, when the comeback comes out, that day is Luz's exam. So we're not gonna be able to watch it when it comes out, like in the premiere, but when she comes back from school. And it will be posted later. Like, we have been getting a lot of comments like, do you guys know ZEROBASEONE is having a comeback? Yeah, we know. We just don't check teasers, alright? That's how we do. But yeah, we really hope you liked the reaction. If you guys want to check more content out, we have ZEROBASEONE pick, Camp ZEROBASEONE, we have ZVTV2. Please make sure to go visit our Patreon. And yeah, we'll see you guys whenever they release Good So Bad. So Monday, but we'll see you guys on Tuesday because you're gonna be watching this on Tuesday. So adios.